Hey guys, in this video we're going to be showing you how to apply for a nationwide bank credit card online. So it's really super simple once you know exactly where to look. So first things first, Nationwide actually has a few different credit card options, but you usually need to already be a Nationwide member. So that means you've got a current account, savings, or even maybe a mortgage with them. You also need to be at least 18 years old, live in the UK, and have a steady income coming in. So before you start your application, make sure you've got the basics ready: your ID, proof of address, and some information about your income and your job. So they're going to use that to check your credit history and decide if they can approve you. So now to actually apply, just head over to the Nationwide website. From there, you then have to go to the credit card section and you'll then be able to see all the different types they offer. Things like 0% purchase cards or balance transfer cards. You can also do a quick eligibility check, which is nice because it doesn't affect your credit score and it gives you an idea if you'd be approved before even applying. So once you find the card you want, simply click apply, fill in your details like your name, address, income, that kind of stuff, and finally submit. Then they're gonna run a proper credit check and you usually hear back from them pretty quickly, sometimes within a day. And if you're approved, your card will then come in the mail and you'll be ready to go. So just remember, use it smartly. Try to pay off your balance in full each month if you can, stay under your limit, and don't miss out on any payments. That can keep your credit score healthy and avoid those annoying charges on interest. And that's basically it. So I really hope you found this helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.